Maya and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to be doing my full room tour. So as you might have seen in my last episode, that was like a month ago or so, I redid my room. I'm sorry this took so long, but I think it's finally done. It's nearly done, but I'm just going to show it to you guys because I think you guys really would like to see it, and I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below to watch more study and productivity related videos, and if you have any video ideas, just let me know down in the comments. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into this room tour. Okay, so this is the first thing you see when you walk in. So it's just my door, and I just have this little sticker, like wood thing, which I've had forever. And then you enter into my room, and this is the first view you get from my room. So that's just an overview of my room, but now let's go into the detail. Okay, so the first thing you have when you look behind my door is a Harry Potter poster, which I got some time ago, I think like 3 months ago or something, and I really wanted a Harry Potter poster because I love Harry Potter. So it's just this one that Miss Weasley says to the twins. So just because you're allowed to use magic does not mean you have to whip your wand out for everything. So just a little poster. And then my walls are pretty blank in the whole room. And yeah, they're just blank. I like blank walls. I don't like cluttered walls. But anyway, moving on, we just have my school bag down there. Normally just leave it there so I can grab and go. Because, you know, you're normally late. But I just have it there, and it's just an Adidas school bag, which I've had for a very long time. Really like it. So then we're going to move on to my closet area. And compared to my room, I have to say I have a pretty big closet. Then I just have my yoga mat, which I actually just use to do some stretching in the morning. I don't actually do yoga, but just have it there. So in the first door, we have most of my clothing. So we just have t-shirts hung up here, so the ones that I will normally use for school. Then I have some of my shoes. My other shoes are downstairs because they're the ones that I use more often. And then I just have this little thing with undergarments and all that sort of jazz. Then we have a cube with some sport clothing, some ski stuff, and some other random bits and bobs. Then above we have my sports bag, some extra stationery stuff, so like folders, a box of beats, and some other stuff behind it which no one needs to talk about. And coming down, we just have 3 drawers. So the first one has sweatshirts. The second one has sweatshirts, short pants, and some sport clothing. And finally we have my messy pajama drawer. So that is the first one. Moving on to the second pair of closet doors, we have my lengthy collection of golf polos, which I have a lot of, even though I only use like 2 of them. Then I have my Aikido uniform, so just the white coat thing and the belt. Then I have some golf hats, a golf belt, my Harry Potter tie from Gryffindor. If you're wondering, I'm a Gryffindor. And above, I just have a box of decorations for season, so most of it is like the holiday season, so winter, and then I have a fluffy blanket, which I still haven't used this year. And then I just have some more pillows, including my famous poop emoji, Christmas poop emoji, which you'll see in Christmas, unless you've seen it last year. And I think I just have like some lights there, which I should hang up, but I haven't had that. Moving down, we have another set of drawers. These are from IKEA, I think. And in the first one, we just have stationery, so like extra stationery which I don't use very often, or like things I already have but I just have a double of them. Then we have stuff that I don't normally use, or boxes. So we have a 5-star pencil case, some other bits and bobs. And finally, in the bottom drawer is my messy electronics drawer. don't want to really talk about it. But we just have a mini tripod. I think my GoPro is behind there somewhere. Chargers, another camera, which I don't really use. It's like really old, a broken camera. Don't know why I still have that, but yeah, that's my drawer of shame. Well, like these two are my drawers of shame, but we don't need to talk about that. And finally, we just have a box of doggy clothing, jackets, stuff. So that is it for my closet. So once you move across my closets, you see my bed, and I really like my bed. I think my bed is one of my favorite parts of my room. Well, after my desk, but they're like nearly only 2 parts of my room, but that's beside the fact. But anyway, I really like my bed. It's so comfy and fluffy, and I really like it. So this is my bed, and I just have this little faux fur thing, so it's not real fur thing, from IKEA. Most of my furniture is from IKEA, if you are wondering. I have them linked down below. Then I have this other blanket thing from IKEA. I have my iPad here because I normally use it at night, and an iPad / MacBook stand thing. And then I just have these 5 pillows. So these are all from IKEA again. This is like gold dotted one. This is one that has like dripping pinks. Then I have a pastel pink, grey, and a white. So that is it for my bed. And beneath, we just have some storage boxes, which no one needs to talk about. So I think that one has bags in it. That one has stuff that I don't use anymore, and that one also has stuff that I don't use anymore. But yeah. So moving on, we have this little area, which is like the decorative part of my room. Kind of really the only thing I have that's decorative. But the first thing we have is this golden grid, again from IKEA. And on it I have these little lights, which you can only see at night. So I'll turn off the lights and then I'll show it to you. So you can see the lights, but you can't see the pictures anymore. But they're just these little lights. And now let me just open the blinds again. Okay, so going back, we have some Polaroids. I actually need to get new Polaroids because I've nearly run out. So the first one we have is one of my dogs. Then we have another one of my other dog. We have me. We have me and my cousin. Me again trying to pose. That is a very embarrassing one. This one at the beach. This one, me for a family event. This is a fail, which turned into an artistic. I just called it an artistic one, but actually was a fail. I don't know what I was doing. Anyway, so this is the one that I took on the first day of school. And this is another one of me at the beach. And then below it we have one handbag. We have this little Harry Potter keychain with all the houses. So we have Slytherin, Gryffindor, Ravenclaw, and Hufflepuff. Some keys and a bag. Then we have my nightstand, and we just have this rose gold lamp from IKEA. We have this little thing from I don't know where, but it's supposed to be used for jewelry, and I use it for my glasses normally or stuff like that. Then I have this little plant. It's not real because if I had real plants it would die in like 5 seconds, but anyway. So it just says, and it's in a cup which says my best friend has 4 paws, which I got at Target, this cup. Then I have a little candle that smells like vanilla from IKEA. And another full plant from IKEA, again with this little wind stand and a white pot. And we just have my clock. So, sorry about that stop, is that my memory kind of ran out, so I had to redo it. But anyway, below the nightstand we just have one drawer. So in here it's like everything. So I have my Beats case, all of my MacBook, so laptop stuff, so chargers, cables. We have one wallet, my little Pandora bracelet which I got. We have my glasses, my watch, some other bits and bobs, some golf balls and other golf stuff, one piggy bank, some cases. I think those are my earrings. Yeah, I have some earrings back there. But that's it for the store. And that's some good. Okay. And below here we just have the two books I'm reading at the moment. So this one is in English, and this is my German book that I'm reading. I'm really liking this one, guys. If you haven't read it, you definitely need to read it. Especially if you like books like The Hunger Games. It's so good. And then we just have all of my long trousers and pants stuffed away in there. I can't even open that. I kind of need more drawers and stuff, but anyway. Okay, so moving on from my nightstand, we have a blank wall and my shelf. So on the blank wall, I normally will use it if I want to take blank pictures or something. I don't know, like, I'm not sure, but like I just have it there. And then we have my bookshelf, which I'm actually going to get a second bookshelf because this one's so packed, so I'm just going to put it there. So decided to get that next time I go to IKEA. If you're wondering, this shelf is again from IKEA. I'm going to stop repeating that because all my furniture is from IKEA, so I have them all linked down below, the ones I can find. So I'm just going to go quickly through it because I'm going to do a more detailed tour of my bookshelf when I have both of them and I have them all tidied up. So at the moment, I just have my Harry Potter shelf on top, and it's my favourite shelf of all, of course. We have my classical books, some more modern books. So we have classical books like Gone with the Wind, Jane Austen. I don't know where I was taking the camera, but that. Then we have Little Parrot. And moving on from my shelf, we have my favourite part of my room, which is my desk. And it's nearly finished, so I haven't decided what I want to put above here. And here I just need something to keep more stationary. So yeah, this is my desk. And to move the chair out of the way, I'll just give you a quick overview. So for this video, I really hope you liked it. And I'm gonna do another room tour in winter, and then I do want, like, I try to do one every season, so you should definitely stay tuned for that. And you should also stay and watch more of my videos if you like study related videos and school tips and all that sort of stuff. And yeah, I'll see you guys next Sunday. Bye!